I've packed a lot of information into a short amount of time. And because I'm a teacher by trade, it's only fitting that we have a bit of a quiz. Who's stressed? So what I want to do is I want to create a stressful reaction in 3 brave volunteers through the exciting game of Pie Face. Amazing. Try this. Try tensing every single muscle in your body. I call this tight sphincter. How many of you can't relate to this where you think to yourself, I don't know what happened to me today. I just lost it. Yes? What'd you lose? I mean, often it's as simple as you didn't take the time to look at what's going on within. And see, I would say that taking care of your own needs has nothing to do with being selfish. It means that you value yourself enough that you're going to advocate for what it is that you need. There's a difference. My hope is that from this point forward, you will always be challenged but never defeated. Because if you do this, it means that you will always be living, not just existing.